My name is Georgia Helen Chrysantzis and I live in Long Island, New York City. I was experiencing arthritis for 6 years, mild, only one knee. And after 3 years, for 2 years lately, I had both knees with a big difference on one knee. Pain was coming and go, but lately for 4 months, 24 hours a day I had the pain. Especially walking affected me 100%. I couldn't walk. I learned about Dr. Pickle from Greece. In Greece we have a hospital, very nice hospital with good doctors, Metropolitan. So I looked there and I find out that he was the teacher to the other doctors from Greece, and I find around in New York City where he is to visit him. The first thing that I looked at the doctor when I stepped in his office was his personality, how he was explaining me the surgery. So I found right away that I was on good hands. And when the doctor asked me, when you plan to have the surgery? I says, how about tomorrow, doctor? I was so comfortable. After 2 days, I had the surgery after seeing the doctor for first time, and I was so happy to have the surgery so fast. I didn't scare at all. I never thought of anything to go wrong, it was a surgery. There was no reason for me to have only one knee and to come again later. I was very comfortable. Partial knee replacement on both of my knees. I stay only one night because the operation was late of the day, so I stay in the hospital that night to be comfortable actually, and I left the next day. Everything was so smooth and nice, no pain at all in the hospital. Even when I went home, no pain for 2 weeks with the medication which I was taking, of course, right? But everything went smooth, nice. And here I am after 3.5 weeks, happy, very happy. I know how it is to have arthritis. Even one knee, 2 knee, makes no big difference with the pain, okay? Go for it, go, it's worth. I was suffering and now after the surgery I feel like, wow, I solved all of my problems.